Hi guys, magandang gabi and good evening, good morning and good afternoon around the globe and around the world. My name is Aisha and I'm one of the advocate ng collagen powder ko and beauty products. Ayun. So hi guys, so good evening po sa ating lahat. Let me share to you kasi mag-open na ako neto. Pero before ko siya i-open, just give you a brief idea kung ano ba talaga ang laman neto. Okay, ang sabi niya dito is type 1, type 2, type 3, type 5, tsaka type 10 na collagen ang nasa loob nito. Now, which is with biotin, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. Okay? So, ngayon, ang suggested use nito is 2 scoops daw per adult daily. Okay? Ang 2 scoops daw nito is katumbas siya ng 16 na capsule ng collagen. Okay? Ngayon, sa supplements tayo para may idea kayo. Okay? Babasahin ko siya sa harapan nyo. Ngayon, ang nakalagay dito is that ang calories niya, as per serving size is 2 scoops or approximately 11 grams. Ang container na to, katumbas siya ng 82 days na gagamitin mo. So, tipid na tipid siya, di ba? Kasi 2 pounds to. Ayun, 902 grams to be exact. Ngayon, ang calories niya is 40, protein, 10 grams, vitamin C as ascorbic acid, so 61 grams, biotin as D-biotin, 2,500 micrograms, kung di ako nagkakamali, yun yung bining nito, which is 8,333%. Tapos sodium is 44 grams, equivalent sa daily value na 2%. Ang multi-collagen complex niya, hydrolyzed bovine collagen peptides, hydrolyzed fish collagen peptides, chicken bone broth protein concentrate, at eggshell membrane collagen is 10,888 milligrams. As per kung hindi ako nagkakamali sa doktor, may nabasa ako or narinig. Ang sabi niya, ang daily usage dapat natin ng collagen in a day is 11,000 at least, sabi niya yata, kung hindi nagkakamali. And then the hyaluronic acid, which is sodium hyalurate, hyaluronate, is 55 milligrams siya. Ayan. So, ang nakalagay dito naman under ingredients is none, tapos free from soy, dairy, gluten, and tree nuts. So, yung mga allergies dyan. Okay, contains eggs and fish. Tapos, notice collagen is not complete protein. Do not use it to replace as dietary protein for for other dietary needs. Yan ang nakalagay. Okay, so forth and so on. Ngayon, ano ba ang meron sa loob niya? Okay, baka nagtataka kayo. Anong ibig sabihin ng lahat ng type 1, type 2, type 3, type 5, type 10 na collagen? So, bibigyan ko kayo ng idea. Ang type 1 collagen kasi is maintaining skin elasticity and hydration, reducing wrinkles and supporting strong nails and hair. Yon. Tapos, stronger bones. May specific benefits ng type 1 kasi is improved skin health, stronger bones, enhanced tendon and ligament health, faster wound healing, stronger hair and nails. Yan ang type 1. Okay, lipat naman tayo sa type 2. Ang type 2 naman showed fewer swollen joints and tenderness and better walk time. So, meaning to say, in only one of the trials of against a placebo ang nakalagay. So, you can search this one in the internet. Sinerch ko lang siya kanina. Okay? Ngayon, type 3 collagen naman, the most abundant collagen in the body, sabi niya, a significant role niya is wound healing, blood clotting, and promoting health skin, gut, and cardiovascular function. Okay? So, ang nakalagay dito is that cardiovascular, detailed look at the benefits is cardiovascular health, gut health, skin health, other benefits, wound healing, and blood clotting. Okay? It can help, actually, involved in. Tapos, ayun siya. So, number 5 na tayo. Ang number 5 naman, maintaining healthy skin, hair, and cell surfaces. So, gandang natural ang mangyayari sa atin. Di ba? Skin health, hair health, cellular function, eye health, placenta development, wound healing, structural support. Yan siya. So, next naman tayo sa type 10. Ang type 10 naman, reliable marker for new bone formation, particular in articular cartilage, and may be beneficial for healing from bone or joint injuries. Oh, nakakatulong siya. Bone formation, joint health, potential osteoarthritis support, bone and joint injury recovery. Ayun daw siya. Okay? So, ngayon naman, sa biotin naman tayo. Okay? Maintaining healthy hair, skin health, improving nail health. Controls blood sugar level, support metabolic process, contribute to nerve health. Okay? Yun siya. So, ngayon, ang vitamin C, you all know, crucial role siya sa body growth natin, development, and repair all its tissues. Correct? So, ngayon naman, ang hyaluronic acid naman is improve skin hydration, elasticity, and reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay na? Ngayon, bubuksan na natin siya. Okay? Gagamit tayo ng mahiwagang gunting. Sana tama ang paggupit ko. Yan. So, nagupit na siya, guys. Ito na ang ating product reveal. So, una, pag binuksan mo siya, ayun. Okay? Inside, makikita mo siya para siyang gatas. Ayan. Tapos, parang purong-puro. Alam mo yun. Tapos, yung scooper nakita niya nasa taas. So, ngayon, kukuha daw tayo ng 2 scoop. Sabi niya 2 scoop. Eto na, guys, meron na ako dito. Ayan, oh. Tinabi ko na kanina. May linagyan na akong special kung ano dyan. Charot. Ayan. So, 2 na yan, ha? Then, tapos, close na natin. Prepare ko na din para excited kayo. Ayan. Prepare ko na din ang aking tubig. So, ayan ang tubig ko. Sponsored by Yarn. Anyway, guys, ayan na. So, dinagyan ko na rin ng tubig. So, ngayon, that's only my video for tonight. So, thank you po sa lahat ng nanonood. Thank you for watching and thank you for staying tuned. Ingat po kayo lahat and God bless. I will give you the review after a week ng paggamit nito. Okay? So, see you around. Thank you po sa lahat. Thank you po sa time nyo. Ingat po kayo. God bless!